with yourself that maybe not everybody lives like you, or can afford to buy the best, or has time to grow vegetables in the yard they don't even have. Plus, the taco trucks here are good. It's a whole culture of mobile Mexican food, the epicenter of which is centrally located along International Boulevard.
The taco trucks, the fruit vendors, the tamale vendors, they all have this little micro business. So that's why they're able to be cheaper.
Shelly Garza runs a nonprofit group that helped organize taco truck owners and workers. And she says that this one place right around the corner is among the best. It's a pretty big menu for a tiny little truck.
Yeah, she does everything. Because she's an entrepreneur that way.
You can come out here and you get the real thing for, what, $2 a pop? $4 a
The
pop?
most expensive thing on there, I think, is $4, the burritos. And they're huge.
$2 each. Prices like this requires lots of customers, lots of quick turnover. And I'm here to help. 3 tacos, please. Chorizo, cabeza, that's head, and chicharron. You know, that's a pretty impeccable looking
Look at that.
plate of food. Can't beat that.
Así está bien.
All right, over to the dining room.
Yeah, let's go to the dining room. I think that table looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Isn't that good?
That's not good. That's really incredible. That's unbelievable. You know, it's as good as anything I've ever had in Mexico. Which is, I gotta look at it. I love a place that does little things really, really well. Just like little touches. You know, the egg, nice. Whether the avocado's cut. It's almost fresh. The beans are great. You know, this is made with real care. There's no other explanation. The Mexican food is good.
Yes, it's authentic.
I don't know the city very well. Actually, this is pretty much all I know of a couple of bars and this place. This street.
This place now is great. People, I always tell people, you know, you have to come to Oakland. Don't go by the stereotype of what people are saying that's bad.
What's a stereotype?
Well, they always say, oh, you know, Oakland is pretty scary because there's, you know, bad elements, I guess is to put it nicely. But generally, there's balance.
They eat well.
Yeah, we do, right?
I can attest to that.